Hello everyone, I'm Zafrul Imran, and today we are going to see the web development project of Skillshop website. For this project, we are building a responsive website called Skillshop step by step. The main goal is to understand how different web technologies work together to create a complete and user-friendly system. In each task, we develop a specific feature and clearly explain how it works. In this video, I will be explaining task 1, which is designing a responsive sign-in and sign-up page. Here we created a responsive sign-in and sign-up page using HTML, Tailwind CSS, and JavaScript. The goal was to design a clean and user-friendly login interface that works properly on mobile and desktop. Here you can see this is the sign-in form. This is the sign-in form where we have to input our email address and then our password to sign in, and then here we have said if you don't have an account, sign up. If we click that, the sign up form will appear. The sign up form will appear, and then again already have an account, there's sign in. If we click it, we will be again redirected to our sign in form. So first we used HTML to create the structure of the page. We added input fields like email, password. Here this is the sign up form. This is the sign up form part where we have our email input, we have the password input, and remember me and forgot password options, and we have this button sign in, and then a respected space for the error messages, and then yes, we have our if you don't have an account sign up part, and then here we have our sign up form. Here we have our sign up form where we have first name input, last name input, email input, password, and then confirm password, account type selection, terms and conditions to be checked, and then the create account button. And then also here we have a respected space for the error messages, and then a toggle button between sign in and sign up, and then the footer part. Here for styling we use Tailwind CSS. Here we have included a script tag in our head part where we have included the CDN of the Tailwind CSS. Also here we have our style.css. In this style.css I have given some colors. I have mentioned some colors here like primary colors, primary dark, secondary colors, success, danger color, and warning color, which will be useful in the future. Instead of why we use Tailwind CSS is, instead of writing long CSS codes, Tailwind gives us ready-made classes to design the page quickly. For example, we use classes to center the form. Here you can see we have set flex items center, and then justify center, so that this whole part is in the center. Here you can see it's right in the center, so it looks like this. If we remove this part, it will actually look like this. Here you can see I removed them, so it looks like this. So if I include them, it will look like this again. It's easy because of these Tailwind classes, the design automatically adjusts to different screen sizes. As you can see, when I switch to mobile view, the form resizes properly and stays centered. This means the page is responsive and works on phones, tablets, and desktop. So it's easy. It stays simple, clear, and done. And how I created this toggle between the silent and silent forms is using this simple JavaScript function. Here in script.js, I have created a function named toggle form. Here what this toggle form does is makes a hidden one into active and the active one to hidden. Here you can see we have these two buttons. Here don't have an account and already have an account. Here I have included this toggle form. So here, as you can see, in this silent form, first of all, in the class, first div class, I have given this active here, and then in this silent form, I have given hidden here. So you can see I have cached the IDs here, silent form and silent form, and put them into a variable saying silent form and silent form. And I have set silent form dot class list dot toggle hidden. That means make the active one into hidden, active one as hidden. Again I have set silent form dot class list dot toggle and set active. That means make the hidden one as active. So how this works is now the silent form is active right now. Here you can see the silent form is active right now, and then the silent form is hidden. So if I click this, the silent form gets active and the silent form gets hidden. That's how this works. Here in this silent form, you can see we have give our first name, last name, email, password, and confirm password, and select either this or this, and agree to the terms and conditions and create the account. If you don't have an account, if we already have an account, we just say silent and we silent from here. So overall, this task shows how we combine HTML for structure, Tailwind CSS for styling, and JavaScript for interactivity to create a fully responsive authentication page. So that's all in this task 1 video. Let's meet in our task 2 video. Thank you.